the capabilities within machine edge control and how that unlocks the power of that trapped data by extracting it out, analyzing it, and then presenting it. And the way Emerson is addressing this now is with our new machine edge controllers. And what that combines is real-time deterministic control and applications in one singular unit. So you can control the machine, you can perform the logic, the calculations, the rules. At the same time, feed that data over to the analytics side that allows you to historize it, trend it, visualize it, log that data right there locally. So what we're doing is we're taking the power of IoT and we're bringing it down to the machine edge. Is that first step, really dealing with the little data that's inside of the machine. And then as your ambitions expand, as you get smarter with the data and understanding what's going on in the plant, you then can take that same controller with its secure communications capabilities and connect that right to the cloud. Whatever cloud service it is you desire, and now suddenly you can elevate that knowledge base and that insight up to the plant model and make the plant smarter. And that's what we're excited about, is having a technology portfolio that brings that that challenge and that possibility to life in a way that really no one else can do in the market. If you want to find out more about Emerson's industrial automation and control portfolio, join the conversation at emersonexchange365.com.